मुंबई में शुरू हुए नीता मुकेश अंबानी की खबर इस वक्त हम बताएंगे। नीता मुकेश अंबानी कल्चरल सेंटर में कई हस्तियों ने हिस्सा लिया है।
इसके साथ ही मुंबई के बांद्रा कुर्ला कॉम्प्लेक्स में बने नीता मुकेश अंबानी कल्चरल सेंटर का शुक्रवार को उद्घाटन किया गया। इस सेंटर को बनाने का उद्देश्य गीत संगीत से लेकर नृत्य और पेंटिंग जैसी दर्जनों कलाओं को एक ऐसा मंच प्रदान करना है जिससे विश्व स्तर पर उनकी पहचान बनाने में मदद मिल सके।
Amazing, and we're very, very proud and happy. And I think a lot of us, we've turned up in support of this entire idea. Obviously it's a dream come true, and it's something that's been such a passion project for Mrs. Ambani and the Ambani family. So we're here to kind of support that and to just show how proud we are. It's the great thing about it is that it's bringing culture to the country and giving the center that everything is all right. And to have a center like that with such great international quality but at prices that are accessible is, I think, what makes it incredibly special.
Reena, if you had to describe this place in one word, what would you say?
I think it's staggering is the word. I think staggering is when you enter, you're like, oh my God, we've never seen something like this. And, you know, everything put together with so much love, tradition, culture, Indian culture, which, you know, I think it's just a coming together, an amalgamation of everything, you know. So I am more power, I think, to Neeta Bhabhi and to the entire family for bringing us this joy.
How do you think a cultural center like this can help the creative community in India?
This cultural center is not going to just enhance the cultural fabric of our city, but also of our country. I think the kind of theatre, the kind of art, just the kind of craft that will be displayed by so many visionary artists across this country, and we have so much talent. So I really feel this is going to be like the hotbed of talent, music, art, theatre, everything. And I just can't wait. I just can't wait to see what else we will witness. Because what we saw yesterday, I went back and I was trying to tell my kids, I said, I really want you guys to see. And I'm sure that, you know, I would like to take them again because the experience was so, it was so emotional, it was so true to our roots, and it was just also very patriotic.
And I love the way that art can educate in such a beautiful way.
I mean, art has always been something that, and all of us are a community of artists, but we'd like to believe that this community is even larger, and spaces like this really kind of enhance and platform artistry.
Deepika, Ranveer, what did you think about this show and how would you describe the experience?
Truly world class. This is something we've never experienced before, and I think there were so many moments when we teared up. So many moments when we had goosebumps. We just had our minds blown.
I love that. Okay, Ranveer, I wanted to ask you, what was a particular sequence or moment that really struck you?
There are so many. The acoustic quality of this theatre is unprecedented. I haven't experienced that in any theatre in the world. Every drum beat I could feel, you know, it was a sensory experience. मेरे मुंह से कितनी दफा वाह ऐसे निकल के आया मैम. It made me feel so proud to be an Indian. And then of course the speech that Neeta Bhabhi gave, it really summed up just how special this moment is for us as an artistic community and as people of this great nation.
I want to just quickly wrap this up by saying one word to describe tonight.
Spiritual.
Wow, nice word. Ranveer?
I can't choose, I've got so many. Exhilarating, spectacular. What a show. I'm so proud of the NMACC. This it's just testament to how glorious a presentation this is.
How are you feeling?
Oh, it's lovely actually being here. And I haven't had an evening out in a while, so I'm loving being here.
What came to mind when you first saw the Neeta Mukesh Ambani Cultural Center?
It's really grand. I think it'll attract like world shows, events, etc., etc. And I think it's built for that. And I hope to see a lot of intermingling of cultures and like a melting pot. So I think that should happen. It's so nice that it's in Bombay.